This is swell. I was born here after all. Here's my dad and his friend making art from odds and ends. But I don't think it's perfect. I think we can improve. I'm saving my money up to go to school. I wanna get into finance, redistribute the wealth. Sure, I like to sing and dance, but I can balance budgets as well. I really think we can fix things and be fiscally responsible. Get me a financial degree. I am Belle.
Have a banana, have a potato, have a pineapple, have a tomato.
Hey friend, we need more than nice vegetables, okay? We need policy shifts. Hey, wake up, this is important.
Oh, I gotta go.
Hey,